Mother of God.
Radio, we're in high-speed pursuit of a white Miata heading southbound on Route 294. Request backup.
Unit 91, come in 91. Unit 91, come in.
Suffering your jocks.
Fucking
Go!
That was a cop car. How'd you know? Because that's one of the cars they used.
nice.
Oi! Scotty! Go, Scotty! Yeah!
What an idiot.
Let's get the number.
I'm excited.
That's not the safest place to fucking cross the road. Oh my god, go Grandma. 100 Ks. Flat foot it.
Sucks because we're going to have to merge with traffic at this fucking speed at this rate.
At least you got your own lane right now.
Oh, Jesus.
Just going from.
You should never give a dummy like that a license.
I must admit, I do like Fiona and Mark. I think they're a great couple.
Yeah.
You know what
Watch
you
that
get.
car.
Yeah. There's one for Scotty.
Damn right.
There's a stop sign there, mate. Dickhead.
So Logan.
That's where you just want to reach out and just push him off. Or is that just me?
No rear foot pegs, no helmet. Only a matter of time. Only a matter of time till someone will pull out in front of them or whatever, and they'll be cleaning them off, scraping them up off the roadway.
Banned or suspended accounts to be reinstated with having fuel situations.
Want some illegals?
Twitter has 28 days to reply to.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
A few moments later.
Time is running out.
I said if I see that, I'll be pulling off the track. But he wants to be out there, and he saw the kids, the KTM challenge in America. And I said, look, this is what you're going to be doing. Do you want to be a part? He goes, I've got that, Dad. So he's excited. He's actually really excited about it. Whoa.
What are you doing?
Why?
Come on! Oh, what are you doing?
What are you trying to do, you wee Nancy wanker?
There's a camera up there, but they're trying to turn in there. You can't turn in there unless you're a boss.
Ah, yeah, they're fucking dumbass. Nancy wanker.
public, and that provides us for several revenue streams.
Well, there's still revenue. What was your revenue last financial year? And
we reached 1.7 million last year, and we've got over 200, about 217 to be precise, people around the world.
Revenue stream. Well, there's still revenue. What was your revenue?
We've got over 200, about 217 to be precise, people around the world.
Revenue.
Wrapped up in front of the right upright. Brisbane defending the Caxton Street end as Farrell swings it to the left to Liu. And Liu, he carries it into Haas and also Flegler Walters there as well. That's 4 tackles gone for the Titans as they come back to the right. And a bit flat-footed here, Fotuaika, who takes it but has nowhere to go. So he's captured. Still,
I'd be labeled a gutless phony and would have no leg to stand on when trying to convince a performer to do something they weren't feeling. On the other hand, a simple "sounds good" would result in a powerbomb. It was the lesser of two evils, and it really wasn't a...
Nice units. Oh yeah.
The faster new customers poured in, the faster money poured out. Our business model is hard to explain to potential customers, but we knew that if people tried our service... Are you a moron? That's why everyone who...
Yes, I am.
You bastard!
What an asshole, right?
What the fuck are you doing? Fucking stopped right there in the middle of the fucking highway. Dickheads.
Fuck, man!
Fucking hell! Jesus Christ! The fuck?
Always took advantage of. This is why some of the historians often think
changing lane in an intersection. Go on then.
Merchants and raiders. They were the same thing. Historian Max Adams in his book The Viking War.
On 492, 33, 66.
Autumn in Harvey Bay. There's nothing better. Catching up with friends at the Beach House Hotel. Enjoying a cool breeze from the bay, cocktail in hand. Great live tunes 7 days a week. While you wait to be served some of the finest food in town. No wonder the Beach House Hotel is on top of everyone's to-do list. See what all the fuss is about this autumn. Harvey Bay's award-winning hotel. beachhousehotel.com.au has all your entertainment.
Harvey Norman's Super Easter Sale. On now. Purchase selected queen size mattress or bed frame and for $1
fucking
more,
red still.
king size. Amazing price on the Rowan Wicker outdoor lounge setting, consisting of a 3-seater sofa, 2 armchairs and a
Hey, we're on dash cam.
Yeah. Yeah. That's you, Scotty. Yeah.
Okay, it's going reasonably. Oh dear. Okay, that's bad. So I can do. Yeah.
Doors are open, your doors are open. Doors are open, You won't know if you got that or not. He locked, but I don't know if he'll stop. Maybe he'll stop and understand when he stops.
Yeah, he stopped. Well done, dear.
Well, still in